Guys, can you turn the light on?
What? She don't leave the light on.
No.
Wrap me, Mom! Not too tight.
You're an idiot.
You're supposed to put it, roll her on
What?
her side, put her hands behind her back.
Throw it away then.
Tie her feet to her
I don't
back.
eat that.
No, that's
I think-
not be able to jump around.
I think this stuff is gross. That's why I don't eat it.
I can't take
What's the matter?
it, take it.
She didn't like it. Lindsay, told you. I told you she did not like that maple stuff.
Okay. Not everybody likes it.
Tickle!
I
Tickle,
know.
Not
tickle.
everybody likes the same thing.
I know.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
You gonna hold still for your mom?
Mom!
What time is it? 10:11. Probably like 10:30. I'll go over.
Ow.
Nothing.
10:30 what?
Your mom. Your face. Remember how they want us to come over?
What?
They want us to come over.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
They don't look like they're in a hurry to go home right this minute. Sean!
Sean's gay.
Sean! Sean, come here! Sean! Sean!
Come look at your girlfriend.
She could get out of it. You did it wrong.
Broke my door. Sean!
Guys, go do the worms. Here, oh,
Sean, tickle her now.
Now you can take
Sean,
one.
he's doing Jasmine.
This will be really fun.
Just stay out of it.
Ready? You should have hog tied your arms up that way. Oh, better. That's better.
Oh my god.
watch her boobies.
Open your arms a little more. Just a little more. Here, here we go.
No, just get her right in the ribs, Sean.
She likes it right there.
Sean, get her feet.
Oh yeah, her feet too.
Sean, her feet, you idiot.
Sean. Oh my god. Oh my god.
How'd you get out of this?
Tickle time.
Doesn't stop.
Other hand. The other hand. Hold on.
Stop, it's just between those two. It's between them two. Move. I'm trying to get them.
Okay, you two go back to the game now. Don't pull. It's not a noose. I didn't say it was. Yeah, you did. Get up.
You tied me.
I did. I don't know how to
Calm down.
Mom, you shouldn't have just tied her in a knot with her hands like this, Mom.
It's kind of like the rape feeling.
We are brothers. Do you want to take my soul in your throat?
Ow, that's loud.
Ah, thanks.